Hello miners! We are thrilled to announce that there's exciting news on the horizon, so be sure to watch the full video linked in the first comment. The much anticipated Hamster project is officially launching on September 26, as confirmed in their recent announcement on their channel. This is a significant opportunity that you won't want to miss. Take this time to work diligently and collect as many coins as you possibly can to maximize your hourly profits. Don't forget that upgrading your cards is crucial, as enhanced cards can lead to even better results in your mining efforts. As we get closer to the launch date, it's important to keep in mind that prices may rise significantly. Therefore, it's wise to take advantage of this opportunity while it lasts. We are also excited to introduce a groundbreaking project today that allows you to earn free Dogecoin. By joining and engaging actively, you have the chance to both gift and receive coins effortlessly. All that's required is for you to verify your subscription to become an integral part of our expanding community, where you'll be generously rewarded with complimentary Dogecoin just for your participation. It's as simple as following the clear steps outlined in the video and connecting your wallet. Best of all, it's completely free, and you can be assured that distribution will be handled reliably. Don't let this exciting opportunity to earn free money slip away. In addition to Hamster, we're eagerly introducing 3 more powerful projects: Cat, Tomato, and Hashcat, all of which share similarities with the Hamster project. The Cat project stands out as it evaluates the age of your account and provides a curated list of bots based on your account's age, making it an engaging and strategic option. Meanwhile, the Tomato project is gearing up to launch in just a few days, so make sure to claim your coins every 3 hours and complete various missions to effortlessly accumulate even more coins. For Hashcat, it functions similarly to Hamster, enabling you to undertake missions using cards, upgrade your levels, and consistently collect coins every 3 hours, just as illustrated in the video. This streamlined approach is not only effective but also provides an easy way to earn money online with minimal hassle.